Hey everyone, Chef Gabe here. Today we're going to be showing you how to make some healthy food items. We're going to be in our Sub-Zero Wolf kitchen, and I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways of making roasted veggies, sauteed veggies, and steamed veggies using our steam oven, our induction cooktop, as well as our oven. First up, the Wolf steam oven. I'm using 100% steam at 210 degrees for about 8 minutes. It locks in nutrients, preserves that vibrant green color, and gives you crisp, tender results every time. Next, we're using the roasting method, perfect for those who want crispy texture with minimal oil. These vegetables cook at 450 for 12 minutes, golden on the outside, tender insides. And finally, the Wolf Induction Cooktop. It's all about precision. Instant heat control gives you perfectly sauteed peppers and veggies in minutes, while keeping that fresh crunch. 3 techniques, 3 Wolf appliances, 1 goal. Healthy cooking made easy. I'm Chef Gabe, and here's to cooking smarter and eating better this year.